You are just 100 calls a day, every single day, from making 6 figures to 7 figures plus in wholesaling real estate. What is stopping so many people from just making 100 calls a day to become successful? The quickest, easiest, probably the cheapest method to run up 10 grand this month, 20 grand, 30 grand is just cold calling. Everybody knows it. It's no big secret. But why are so many people so scared and freaked out to get into cold calling and actually start to become successful? Well, frankly, the truth is they're not disciplined. They don't have a strategy. They don't have tactics out here to actually go out here and do this. And this is what I'm set out today to do. I'm going to give you my exact guide on how you can start making 100 cold calls a day, even if you're scared, even if you're nervous talking to sellers, so you can actually get results. But I'm dead serious. You are only 100 calls a day away from making as much money as you possibly want in wholesaling houses. You just got to learn how to do it the right way. And so really breaking down my story getting started with cold calling, I was kind of like you. A little nervous getting started, a little worried about what this cold calling thing is going to entail and how I actually can become successful with it. And I sucked starting out. I was absolutely terrible. I was a little nervous talking to sellers. I've already done some wholesaling deals by then, right? I was still a teenager. I made 100 grand my first year wholesaling houses, but that was bandit signs. I already knew how to close sellers. I wasn't that nervous with that aspect, but just the cold calling part. And this might be a shocker to you, but the more I called, the better I just got at it. I developed my scripts and just got better and better, started hiring my own cold callers and then running a huge team where cold calling makes us a ton of money. Now, after doing 2,000 plus wholesaling deals, teaching hundreds of thousands of people to get into wholesaling, a lot of them get it by doing cold calling. And I would say a vast majority of them do it because it works. Why do you think people mostly cold call? Because it mostly gets the deals. Most people get their first deal cold calling because it gets deals. And even in 2024, it is still probably the best way for anyone getting started out here to get a bunch of money. Now, some tactics you have to understand when it comes to cold calling is it is better to cold call 100 people once than it is to cold call 50 people twice. I can only stress this so many times, but it's better to get fresh new data than old data you're recalling. Now, if you have a high equity list or a vacant list and you're calling them twice a year, that's fine. But what I mean within a month or 2 months, you should definitely call a lead only once. Don't be calling them multiple times. Maybe you called the phone number 1 and maybe you're calling the phone number 2. That's okay, I guess, if you didn't reach the actual seller. Just focus on calling 100 people a day that are completely unique that you've never called before. That's one tactic you have to understand when it comes to cold calling, but it's about quality, not quantity. Now, I know the title of the video, 100 cold calls a day, I get it. But did you know if you cold called, for example, 100 high equity leads a day, that would probably be the equivalent of cold calling only 10 drawing for dollars leads a day? That's right. You're doing 10x less work, 10 times less work to make more money. And this is the importance of quality over quantity. Now, I cannot stress enough how important it is to do the volume, do the work, and do the effort. But if you're going to do the effort, why would you do it on something that's not going to give you the fruits of your labor that you'd rather do? What I mean by that is, if you're going to put in 10 hours on cold calling, wouldn't you rather have the best chance possible to make the most amount of money? Because if you put 10 hours into cold calling, and let's say you get one $10,000 deal, if you were able to 10x that result, that'd be 10 deals with the same amount of work and making more per deal. And so when you are cold calling, I would stick to lists that are niched out, that aren't cold called by every single person in your market. These are mostly going to be drawing for dollars leads, reverse drawing for dollars, government lists like the code violations, the water shutoffs, fire damage properties, heck, even the arrest record lists, everything we teach in freewholesaling.com, my free wholesaling course. Lists that no one else really can get is going to be the key for your success. Now, also when we're talking about your quality versus quantity, it's going to be about time spent too. And so a lot of people watching this, they might go out here and spend 100 hours manually skip tracing through one of the free skip tracing platforms like truepeoplesearch.com or cyberbackgroundchecks.com when you could have just spent $100 on dmzach.com and just got unlimited skip tracing for the month. That's just something you got to think of. So there is free unlimited skip tracing at dmzach.com. I will highly recommend for you. If you're spending hours and hours and hours, which you could be using for cold calling so you can get more wholesaling deals. Now, I get asked all the time, Zach, should I get a dialer or not for cold calling? I would probably recommend you get a dialer if you're going to be calling over 3 hours a day. If you're under 3 hours, I'd probably just stick to the hand dialing for now until you get some deals, use that money for a dialer. Now, ZachDialer.com is the best dialer I've personally found. Mojo's another really good one too. But unless you've really gotten your scripts down and you've gotten appointments and deals from cold calling, I'd probably wait to use a dialer until we start seeing some results from this. Just a regular Google Voice or your personal cell phone should be good enough. But really, what's the secret of doing 100 cold calls a day? It's the work. It's no secret. It's either you did them or you didn't. Now, there's a lot of fit, muscular people watching this probably who, let's say they're all jacked and they want to get into wholesaling, right? And you're watching this, you might be jacked or something, right? And if I change the title of this video from how to do 100 cold calls a day to how to do 100 push-ups a day, you're probably going to roll your eyes and be like, oh, just be a man, do your 100 push-ups a day. It's not that hard. But because the video is about cold calling, you're not used to cold calling. You're used to doing 100 push-ups a day, but you're not used to cold calling. You're nervous. You're freaking out. You're like, what's the secret to cold calling? Is there a little secret I can do to just make it faster? It's not. It's just doing the work. So if I made this title, how to do 100 push-ups a day, it'd be even a quicker video because there's no tactics. You go on the floor, you do your 100 push-ups. That's it. Simple as that. The same exact rule applies for cold calls. You just do them. That is most of the work. Stop overthinking it. Stop overcomplicating it. Just go out here and get there. You have to make your cold calls every single day a non-negotiable. You show up there and you do it. I recommend you kind of carve out time in your schedule to go cold call, just like you do if you go to the gym or do any other activity. And that's pretty much it. Use my simple script. Hey, is this the owner of the property? And are you interested in selling it? Get the yes and go from there. That is literally, I just gave you my entire script in like under 10 seconds. Are you the owner of the property and are you interested in selling that house? So I just gave you the script. I told you what to do. Like, what's stopping you? Well, the truth is it's basically all in your head. Stop being scared. Stop being fearful. Just show up. Now, kind of get into strategy here to do these 100 cold calls a day. If you really want to get the best pickup rate, so you spend the least time cold calling just to get 100 out, I statistically have found within a 24-hour period, 2 to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is going to be the best times possible for cold calling on the East Coast. Now, if you're on the West Coast, it's going to be 2 to 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, right? Whatever the time zone that you're calling. So if I live in Florida, I'm cold calling California, I'm going to use California time for calling. So whatever the time zone is, 2 to 7 p.m. has always been the best. This is where some people are off of work or some people are just getting off of work and you get the best pickups possible. 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1 p.m. just get less answer rates. And we want a high amount of contacts or a high amount of pickups. That means if I call 100 people, if I had a 20% response rate, 20 people will pick up and say hello. I'd rather get 20 people pick up than 10 or 15 than if we did outside those times. Now, if you're really niched out and you only want to do 100, which isn't really that hard or complicated or time intensive, I would stick to the magic best time for people to pick up their phones, which I've personally found to be between 5 and 7 p.m. wherever you're at. So on the East Coast, 5 to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or on the West Coast, 5 to 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, which would be 8 to 10 o'clock in New York. And then from there, just carve out time. 100 calls a day for a week is 700. And if you're pressed for time, maybe 3 times a week, you cold call from 3 to 7 p.m. and you get those 700 calls in. I mean, I'd rather you do 100 calls every single day, 7 days a week, than to do maybe once a week. But I totally get it, right? Some people can only cold call Monday through Friday and from there, but Monday through Friday, 5 to 7 p.m. has always been the best time for cold calling. Saturdays, Sundays are not my favorite. Some people, that's the only time they can cold call. And honestly, if you have no other option, go do the weekends. It's not going to kill you. Then just keep calling, right? The less saturated list, you're going to get more pickups. Just know that there are a lot of variables with cold calling, but just do the work. The one thing I would recommend for you if you are looking to cold call is just know the 3 basic questions you're going to be asked on most cold calls. Who are you? What do you want? And why do you want it, right? And so who are you? Well, my name is Zach. Me and my partner, we're looking to buy a couple more properties in the area for cash. What do you want? Well, we're looking to buy some houses in the area. Well, why are you looking to buy houses? Well, we look to buy houses usually just to buy it, fix it up and rent it out. Sometimes we'll buy it if it needs too much work and just fix it up and then put it back on the market. It really depends how much work the property needs. Now, if it's a house that is a total rehab, we have to do all the sheetrock, there's cockroaches and rats and termites and all these things, we're probably gonna have to flip the house. But if it's a nicer home that only needs mild renovations, we're probably just gonna rent it out. Well, let me ask you, Mr. Seller, what type of house do you have? And you see how I just got asked a question and I asked them a question with that? I flipped the script and I flipped the switch on them and I took advantage of the conversation. Just know how to answer it just like that. But I cannot stress this enough. 99% of the problem for people watching this while you clicked on this video is you get nervous. It's just showing up and doing the work is the hard part. And you want to know the secret to being consistent besides just showing up and doing it. Well, let me give you a little secret. Just say on the days that you don't want to cold call, just tell yourself, hey, I'm only going to cold call 5 people. That is it. Easy as that. This is a small trick personal trainers have used and people to try to get people in the gym that has always worked. It's like, okay, just spend 5 minutes on the treadmill, and if you don't feel any better, you can leave the gym. And personally, what people have found is if you put 5 minutes on the treadmill, you figure out, wow, the hardest part was just showing up in the gym and actually clicking the treadmill button. The rest, it's kind of mundane. I can just get through it, right? Same thing with cold calling. You just do 5 calls, you're already 5% of the way there. And it's like, okay, well, I'm actually just doing it. The dialer's going, calls are being done. I feel way better than before. Let's just get this done, right? Simple as that. Just show up and do there. Just get your butt in the gym, get your butt in the chair, get your butt in front of the phones, and that is it. So if you want to show up and do the work every single day, just do 5 calls. I promise you, you'll feel a lot better and you'll start getting results. That, guys and gals, is the secret to doing over 100 calls a day consistently, showing up and doing the work, and remembering why you need to get rich, why your family knows that you deserve to be rich, and how you're going to prove everyone wrong and you're going to be a success like the hundreds of thousands of wholesalers I've taught at freewholesaling.com, my free wholesaling course. So if you want to learn wholesaling real estate for free from A to Z without spending any money at all, go to my course. It's called freewholesaling.com. I'll show you exactly how to do it. I have live calls that YouTube won't let me release due to the privacy policies that you just go to freewholesaling.com. It's right there. Also, you got any value from this video? Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, this is Zach Ginn signing out. Have a blessed one.